back to our final live stream here at Harfko Korea 2022. My name is Alex Sigrist, and we're checking out everything related to heating, air conditioning, refrigeration, to fluids here. There's so much to see. It is our final live stream, and we've got a lot of companies to talk to interview, and a couple of booths to walk through as well. So we're going to go ahead and do that in just a second. We're going to start off with our final company of this tour, of the final tour, I should say. First company of the final tour. We're going to Yushin Korea, and we're going to talk to them right now and see what they have. Let's go ahead and jump in there. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Hi, so this is Yushin Korea. 일단 소개부터 부탁드립니다.
예, 저희 유신 코리아는 냉동기에 꼭 없어서는 안 될 팬모달을 전문으로 유통 판매하는 전문 회사로서 45년 동안을 오직 팬모달만을 판매, 유통 판매하고 있는 전문 회사입니다.
All right, well, let's go take a look at some of these indispensable items here. Can you show us what you brought? 가지고 오신 제품 좀 보여주실 수 있나요?
이제 이 제품은 이제 제가 제빵에 들어가는 쇼케이스,
네.
쇼케이스에 들어가는 팬모다가 이제 주종으로 여기 진열이 돼 있고요.
So we're looking at the fan models here along that they're having on their showcase right now, and then this is the motors.
이쪽은 이제 소형 모다, 이것도 같은 쇼케이스에 들어가는 건데 요즘에 이제 에너지 세이브로 많이 이제 각광을 받고 있는 EC 모다가 주종으로 돼 있습니다.
네. And so these are the motors that they have here, and these particular ones for energy saving purposes are the EC fan motors that they have on display.
요 제품은 이제 지금 이제 냉동기 장치에 큰 바람을 요구하는 장치에 일체형 팬모다가 이제 들어가는데, 예전에 이런 분리형 모다를 썼다 그러면 지금 현재는 이런 일체형 모다를 씀으로써 작업 능률도 높이고 효율도 많이 늘릴 수 있는 그런 팬모다라고 볼 수가 있습니다.
And so this fan motor is a larger model that you have right here, called the Air Streamer right now. 네. Well, thank you so much. 그럼 마지막으로 뭐 한 마디 있으시면
예.
부탁드립니다.
지금 이제 저희 유신 코리아는 주로 이제 냉동기용 팬모다를 많이 쓰고 있지만, 저희 유신 코리아가 45년 축적된 많은 기술로서 지금 현재 보고 계시는 일체형 모다 같은 경우는 국내 판매 1위를 저희가 자부를 하면서 작년에 35,000대를 저희가 달성을 했다 그러면 내년엔 5만 대 이상을 달성할 수 있는 목표를 가지고 지금 열심히 판매를 하고 있습니다.
Great. Thank you so much for talking with us. 감사합니다.
예, 고맙습니다.
So there you go, checking out the fan motors that they have on display here at Yushin. So next up, we're going to go to our second company here on our final tour of the area. We're going to stop and go to this area right here, which is Hyundai Climate Control, as we jump in and see what they have at this place. Take a look at their booth and everything that's on display as well. We're looking at super efficiency direct fired absorption chiller heaters. So let's go on in and see what information we can glean from them here, as I pull up my information as well. So it looks like this is that heater chiller that we might be looking at. So let's take a look at what it is here that they have. So they're a company specializing in air conditioning equipment, providing customers with clean indoor environment for industrial and commercial usage. Right now we're looking at what looks like to be their big unit here. See if I can find... There we go, centrifugal chillers here. You can find some more information in here. But this is kind of what we're looking at the moment. So over 80 years of experience since its founding. They have reciprocating compressors, screw compressors, designated heat exchangers, and pressure containers located worldwide in 72 locations across 37 countries for sales and production facilities. Oh, excuse me, sorry. Let me rephrase that. Let me take that right back. Excuse me. This was started in September of 2001, and they supply air conditioning refrigeration devices and systems to various business areas such as shipbuilding, automobiles, semiconductors, petrochemicals, pharmaceuticals, and commercial facilities. Sorry for that little mistake there. So next up, we're going to go to Bitser over here as we check them out and jump on into Bitser Korea. So here, now we're going to look at what Bitser Korea has to offer. Headquartered in Germany, world's largest independent refrigerant compressor manufacturing company that's been leading innovation for more than 80 years. This company is the company that has scroll compressors, screw compressors, reciprocating compressors, condensing units, heat exchangers, pressure containers. This is the group that's located in 72 countries, locations in 37 countries, including sales and production facilities. So if you take a look around here, you can see some of what they have, the software and line up here. We can take a look inside. Oh, this is the part. We'll start right here. Here is their semi-hermetic reciprocating compressor that we're looking at right now. And you can kind of see how it's placed in there right now. See if there's anything else on this side over here. We got to see the video already. Looks like we have another compressor in the background over here. This right here is another semi-hermetic reciprocating compressor, and this right here is a frequency inverter that we're looking at. Okay, so let's continue on to our next destination right now. So next, I believe, if I have it right, we're going to Kanomax Korea, which is right here. They don't have someone here right now, but we're going to take a look at their booth. Anyway, just give you a quick little tour of what Kanomax has. Founded in 1973. They've got instruments related to wind speed, clean room particle measurement, fluid measurement, and non-destructive testing machinery in here. And you can see some of that over here. Some of the wind machinery testing, it looks like, in this area. Portable particle counter models over where I'm standing right now, which we'll get to in just a second. But you can see the sensing equipment as well as the, looks like, data collecting printing that comes along with it. So this is the portable particle counters. They have handheld particle counters. And as we mentioned over here, this is the airflow transducer, and this is a multi-channel Aeromaster in this corner over here. You can see some of this. This is a mini airflow capture hood over here, and this is a larger airflow capture hood in this area. So that is what they've got here at Kanomax Korea. You can come by, check them out until tomorrow. Again, that's when this this expo is going on until. Okay. Next up, we're going to be looking for one of two companies. Either we have an interview or we're looking for Woohyung Electronics. So let's just see who is here. Give it just a second here. We're going to go in here and check out what we have here at RNA Korea and see what they have inside here. So let's take a look. They've got semi-hermetic refrigeration scroll compressors in here, as well as bits and pieces, including solenoid valves and coils as well. We take a look over here to see what else is in this area. Looks like we're looking at scroll comps. So semi-hermetic scroll pumps. So yeah, scroll comps in here. Yes, semi-hermetic compressors, and we have some more parts in this area. You can get a look at what's on here, including their sphere-type manifold gauges, as well as their vibration absorbers and other different particles. Let's see what's on this side over here. The shell pipe heat exchangers are on this side over here. And we have the air-cooled packed chillers as well from RNA Korea. There you are. Let's go to our next stop. Oh, getting a little taste of the heaters as we're walking by them right now. All right, we're going to go to Woohyung Electronics over here. Just do a little quick tour of what's behind here as well. No interview, just see what kind of products they have as we look at Woohyung. Founded in 1993. Been growing for the last nearly 30 years, it looks like. And the best, what they offer is reliable products with a low price, with a timely delivery. So we're looking at some products by Fulltech, which is Taiwanese-based manufacturer of professional AC cooling fans. So we're looking at different fans right now. Axial fans over here. We have cross-flow fans, rotor fans, centrifugal fans, AC fan with signal output, and you can see differences here. It looks like they have EC fan applications as well, which of course is more environmentally friendly. So you can see an EC axial fan for commercial refrigerators and freezers as well. So we're looking at cooling fans at the industrial level when we're looking at these here. Also an AC sensor fan as well. Next up, we're going to be walking up to, let's see if this is it. Let's find out in a second. Yes, we're going to AENT Korea, AENT. There's not going to be an interview, but we're just going to go ahead and take a look at what's on display at the booth. So we can go ahead and jump on in right now and see what is on display. So they specialize in eco-friendly air conditioning systems and make temperature, humidity, and air quality optimized for all environments. Started in 2004. They supply high-tech research equipment and industrial air conditioners, home air conditioners as their main products, and they have achievements in a variety of fields. Let's just press some buttons and see what we can look at here. All right, so if we look at each individual part,
So this is when you hi.
Hello. Hi.
And then we met at the NVEX, as I remember correctly.
yes, we've talked before.
Yes. And this is before that at the previous exhibition in Korea. We just prepared the modular system of our technology, but this time we prepared what kinds of coolant or heat source we can use for our system. So we can use a lot of diverse renewable energies such as solar or waste heat, or we can, for the coolant, we can use just water or cooling tower. So by using this, we can cut down the energy consumption at least 70% during the summertime or raining season in Korea.
This is for the air conditioning system. You can cut it down that much.
Yes.
Well, great. Thank you so much for talking with me.
Right.
I was happy that you're able to explain this a little bit, and especially because this is a lot of Korean that I don't understand at this level.
Yes.
But much appreciated. Is there anything else that you would like to say before we head on out?
We're expanding our business rapidly, and then we are ready to go for the global market with our technology. We strongly believe that with our technology or our system, we can cut down the energy. So, and then also we can provide the best quality of the air. Yeah.
Great.
Thank you.
Well, thank you so much. We're just going to show a little bit more of the booth. Okay, we're ready, and we'll see you next time.
All right. Thank you.
All right, we're going to drop in behind me now as we go to Wilson, Korea, and see what they have. So another importer here, we have Testo products here. Testo, known for their, basically testing solutions. Their measurement systems that they have here. They have different things, including the infrared cameras that you're looking at right now, and some other analyzers here, gas analyzers as well. You can see on the wall a little bit more of the descriptions of what we're looking at. Their whole lineup over here. Everything from those measurement devices, including the Yolhua sensor camera, the heat sensor camera. And over here you can see some of the different things that they have for measuring devices, including nitrates, sulfates, carbon monoxide, oxygen for this one. And again, just different models that measure different things around here. Including on this side, we get even a little more detail when it comes to, looks like temperature as well, and other parts, other gases as well. So here, what they're offering here at Wilson, Korea, the Testo product lineup that they have for us. Okay, so next up, we are going to jump into this area over here, NAC Korea, and just show you what the booth is all about. So why don't we go ahead and take a look at some of the products that they have on display. So they produce and supply charcoal filters, and air purifiers as a way to help what they call nuclear air conditioning. So using these different filters to remove radioactive gases and harmful gases from the air, including carbon monoxide, ammonia, sulfates, nitrates, and different gases as well. And so from the left side, you have the charcoal filter type over there, and then you have different other things, activated carbon filling and removal machinery, and RI filter units over there. So you can see more if you come here and check them out today or tomorrow at Kintex. Next up, we're just going to walk up right next door as we go to Kimsko, Korea, and look up. Let's see. So based on the pictures, it looks like pipe cleaning, but let's see exactly what it is. Scale and rust. So scale prevention, rust prevention, and protecting equipment such as boilers, heat exchangers, and coolers connected to water pipes or pipes. Eco-friendly scale prevention or removal device does not use chemicals, salt, or cyanide. So using this technology, they're able to have eco-friendly piping management system that removes moss, biofilm from pipes and cooling towers and suppresses the occurrence of various types of bacteria as well. So you can take a look at what they have here if you want to find out more information about Vulcan, which is the German company. It looks like that they are working or maybe importing from. Then you can find out some more here. They also have products from Kessel, which is grease separator, easy clean, free auto mix and pump as well. So that's what we're looking at over here. This is Kessel. Now we're going to move on to our next location. Let's see. So this is KB Flow or Gyeongbo Flow. See what they have over here at Gyeongbo Yeol Kyohangi. So take a look at what they have here. They have shell tube, chillers, condensers, and heat exchangers that we can look at. So over here we're looking at the tube condensers, as well as a gasket down here. We also have a shell and tube chiller on this side. So we're looking at low-cost, compact equipment that is corrosion resistant. We're going to check over here too, just to see what else is over here. Looks like another device on display here. But you can find out more information from them, kbflow.co.kr, if you need to get that information. Okay, let's go to our next spot over here. So next up, we're going to walk over here to Solar Play. So Solar Play is going to be our next one. 20 years of renewable energy research technology here that is good for any company interested in ESG solutions over here. From planning to development, implementation, construction, and maintenance of solar power plants, it's a one-stop energy investment, consulting, and technology company. Just see what else is on display. The last thing that's over on this side. There is something that they have on display, so let's just see out of curiosity what it is. So there you go. This is a solar plant. It looks like collecting energy. I don't have the full information because they're busy right now with clients, so we don't have time for the interview just yet. But if you want more information, you can come pick it up here. Oh, can't open this with one hand, but you can find it over here at this booth. All right, let's move on over here. Next up on my list, we have something called Glass Dome, but it depends if we are going with an interview or without an interview. So let's find out soon. We are going with an interview right now, so let's jump in here to VPE Korea. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good. Can you introduce us to your company, please?
저희 그 VP 코리아는 이제 냉동 공조 전문적인 이제 장비를 공급하는 회사고요. 레프코는 이제 스위스에 있습니다. 본사는 스위스에 있고 저희는 이제 한국에 정식 대리점 계약을 맺어서 정식적으로 유통을 하고 있는 회사라고 보시면 됩니다. 네.
All right. Well, let's see what kind of products they brought in from Switzerland. Can you introduce us to some of these products?
예. 제일 우선 신제품으로 출시해서 많이 판매가 되고 있는 제품은 여기 나와 있는 이제 디지털 매니폴드 게이지. 이제 냉동 공조 엔지니어들이 필수적으로 사용하는 장비 중에 하나라고 보시면 되고요. 이번에 스위스에서 신제품으로 출시해서 이제 많이 판매가 되고 있는 제품입니다. 이제 그 다음으로는 이제 일반 소비자분들이 아주 만족해하시는 이제 에어컨 배수 펌프. 기존에는 소음하고 그 크기 때문에 디자인적으로 굉장히 좀 민감해하시거나 소음에 민감하신 분들이 이제 좀 비싸다 하더라도 저희 걸 많이 적용해가지고 이제 구매를 하고 계시죠. 네.
These are the main products that you have on display, right? And they have other products as well, but this measurement device and this particular device are the two that are on display for the most part. Thank you so much for talking with us. 마지막으로 한 말씀 있으시면 부탁드립니다.
카메라 보고 하면.
Yeah, sure.
오케이. 저희 랩코 제품 이제 국내에서 정식적으로 한 지는 4년 정도 됐는데요. 본사 자체 기준으로는 한 60년 정도 된 이제 아주 기술력 있는 회사입니다. 그래서 국내에서 판매는 아직 많지는 않지만 기술력으로는 입증이 되었고 제품에 대한 퀄리티는 어느 정도 보장되었다라고 볼 수 있기 때문에 믿고 구매하셔도 될 겁니다. 감사합니다.
Thank you so much. So check them out for more HVAC service products that they have over here on display. You too. Thank you. Okay, so next up, we're going to jump in here and talk to someone from here. 안녕하세요. This is Stako. Stako. What is 섭미야? 무슨 뜻이에요? 섭미야?
썸미아 맞습니다.
섭미야. 오케이, 오케이.
썸미아 브랜드 같은 경우에는 이제 액체 측정할 수 있는 유량계라든지 레벨 센서,
네.
수질 측정할 수 있는 장비와 데이터 로고 제품군으로 나눠져 있는 브랜드입니다.
네.
네.
Okay. So it's different from then Starco. Starco Instruments는 an import business인가요?
일단은 저희 스타코 인스트루먼트는 이 썸미아 브랜드를 한국에 정식 수입을 해가지고 국내에 유통을 하는 회사예요. 그래서 이런 다양한 산업 설비에 갖춰져 있는 필요한 장비들을 스타코에서 공급을 하고 있습니다.
네. 그럼 뭐 몇 개 보여주시겠어요?
여기 쪽에 보시는 거는 이제 볼텍스 유량계라고 해서
네.
스팀 환경에서 보통 사용하는 그런 유량을 측정할 수 있는 기기이고요. 다음으로 보시는 거는 전자식 유량계입니다. 마그네틱 유량계로서 거의 대부분의 유체를 측정할 수 있는 유량계예요. 그래서 뭐 물이라든지 폐수라든지 산성, 알칼리 거의 대부분의 유체에서 적용이 가능합니다.
So we're looking at some of the flow meters here, right? So we're looking at some of the flow meters here.
그 다음으로는 여기 이제 시그널 제너레이터인데 이런 센서들이 측정하는 정기적인 신호를 측정해주고 이런 장비에서 신호를 내보내줘서 정상적으로 라인이 깔려져 있는지 그런 것들을 점검해줄 수 있는 시그널 캘리브레이터이고요.
Okay, so we have a signal calibrator. That was English.
수질 분석 장비입니다. 그래서 pH, 전도도, 용존산소, 탁도라든지 MLSS 측정을 할 수 있는 그 수질 분석 장비들이에요.
Some more measurement devices, including measuring amperes or pH, the acidity of the liquids.
그 다음으로 이제 데이터 로거 제품이고 굉장히 컴팩트한 사이즈의 18채널까지 18개의 센서를 연결할 수 있는 제품이고요. 이 제품은 이제 36채널까지 연결할 수 있는 제품입니다. 그리고 이제 이런 측정 장비에서 나오는 4에서 20mA라든지 0에서 10V 같은 그런 아날로그 신호를 받아서 사용할 수 있고 데이터를 저장해 줄 수 있는 장치예요.
So this is a data logger that can go anywhere from one of them was 18, the smaller one was 18, the larger one was 36 channels of information can go in there.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. 마지막으로 한 말씀 해주시면 부탁드립니다.
네, 한국에 있는 이제 썸미아 브랜드를 많이 사랑해 주시고 앞으로 저희 더 성장할 수 있는 스타코 인스트루먼트가 되도록 하겠습니다.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
There you go, Starco Instruments and what they offer as an distributor, I should say, is more appropriate in Korea. Okay, let's find our next location, which is going to be in here for a mass wing, and we're going to go ahead and jump in here and say hello. No. 인터뷰 가능하신가요? 네. 인터뷰? Okay, so we're just going to tour right now and check out what they have here. TS EMC motor products are on display here at a mass wing, so let's take a look at what we have in this area. So we have a mass wing is a fan and motor manufacturer. So made to order system that they have. There's a whole bunch of different fans on display here that we can take a look at right here. Basically just different types, different styles for different uses. But they can be used for anything from condenser fan motors that you're looking at right here. So we're looking at these condenser fan motors all the way to cooler fan motors as well. So a variety of fan motors, and you can see more information if you come by the booth and check them out. Okay, next up. We are going to go to, I believe, APM Engineering. Just going to go in there and see what they have here, take a look at their products. So let's dive right into that. Established in 1994, APM Engineering has been researching and developing anything related to environmental related fields, distributing advanced technology products out there. So if we take a look at here, we can see what exactly here. We have the portable analyzers out here that gives a whole bunch of information related to the environment. Over here is the 6-liter canister. We also have the real-time VOCs analyzer up here. And then respirator fit tester as well. So you can see some of these different devices that are used here. And then this down here, you can see the scanning mobility particle size, optical particle sizer, aerosol monitor, as well as a portable black carbon monitor and a flow meter and calibrator. Some of the products that they have on display here at APM. Okay, next up, let's go to what I believe is going to be. Nope, not this one. Am I getting it? I am. So we're going to go ahead and talk to someone from BioCrete and say hello. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
So this is BioCrete. 일단은 BioCrete 소개 부탁드립니다.
예, 바이오크리트는 영하 30도에도 굳는 혹한기 냉동 창고 바닥 보수제 겸 혹한기 시공제입니다. 이게 국내에서 조달청 공공조달 혁신 제품 특허 기술상도 수정을 했고, 그렇기 때문에 영하 30도에서 할 수 있는 제품 저희 거밖에 없습니다. 여기에 소스가 있죠. 예.
So this is only they are able to have this product that's able to work at minus 30 degrees Celsius.
맞습니다. 예.
그리고 so 또 다른 이점이 서 있는데요. 설명해 주시겠어요?
지금 이제 국내 저희가 주요 거래처는 CJ 프레시원, 그다음에 신세계 이마트, 동원 홈푸드, 그다음에 제일 많이 나가는 에버랜드. 에버랜드의 그 보수제 같은 경우는 저희 걸로 많이 하고 있고, 그리고서 이 모든 콘크리트에 붙으면은 부착력이 좋고, 그 다음에 염화칼슘에 반응을 안 하기 때문에 부식이 안 됩니다. 그렇기 때문에 이 냉동 창고나 혹한기 계절에 시공할 수 있는, 소위 말해 쉽게 겨울철에도 공사가 가능한 보수제로서 그런 표현을 저희가 드릴 수가 있습니다. 겨울철에 할 수 있는 시공제.
So a concrete that doesn't produce any dust, that is used in a lot of different places, including Everland, which is a very popular theme park in Korea, as well a lot of different 백화점s, malls as well, 신세계, those kind of places they've already got there. And 이게 이 concrete를 만든 거죠?
이거 여기는 시멘트가 안 들어가 있어요.
So no cement.
세라믹, no cement.
No cement.
No cement, 세라믹.
Just ceramic.
세라믹, just 세라믹.
네.
그런 걸 사용하고 있습니다.
Great. Okay.
이게 이 추운 지방, 남극, 북극에 있던 동토에서 이 혹한기 할 수 있는 이 제품이 전 세계에서 이거밖에 없어요.
네.
저희가 알기로는 물론 뭐 다른 게 있을 수도 있을지 모르겠는데, 다만 디그리가 마이너스 30디그리에서 시공할 수 있는 이 소재가 유일한 소재입니다.
It's one of a kind. As far as they know, the only one that can be used at minus 30 degrees in areas that consistently get minus 30 degrees Celsius. 네. Thank you so much for talking with us. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
So there's BioCrete right there. Next up, we're going to jump in and talk to someone from Uriel Electronics as we jump in here. Let's see who we can talk to, if we can find someone right now. 안녕하세요.
예, 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
예, 우리엘 전자입니다.
Nice to meet you. So this is Uriel Electronics.
Yes.
일단은 소개부터 부탁드립니다.
예, 안녕하세요. 우리는 냉난방 컨트롤러 전문 업체 우리엘 전자 주식회사라고 합니다.
So let's take a look at some of these controllers then. Can you show us some of these products? 보여주시겠어요? 뭐 가지고 오셨는지?
이거는 이제 그 저온 창고 쪽에 들어가는 컨트롤러 박스고요.
네.
이거는 이제 난방,
So we're
전기
gonna
난방,
heaters right here.
예, 컨트롤 박스고, 저쪽은 전기 바닥 난방이지만은 이제 통신용이라고 해서 이 128 그 메인 컨트롤러로 가지고 각 방을 제어를 할 수 있는 통신용 조절입니다. 그리고 이쪽은 그 쇼케이스 쪽에 들어가는 온도 컨트롤러 예, 다양하게 있습니다. 근데 저희 제품의 특징은 뭐냐면은 이런 와이파이 모듈을 어떤 제품이든지 다 연결해서 쓸 수 있다는 거고, 그 와이파이 모듈을 장착을 하시면은 저희가 자체적으로 개발한 어플리케이션을 설치를 하시고 이 어플리케이션 통해서
네.
네,
좀 보여주시겠어요? 네.
이런 식으로 온도 조절, 그다음에 방제제 사항,
So you're able to control it with the application that they have.
그다음에
Um,
전원 온오프, 그다음에
turn on off.
모든 그 조절기의 상황을 현재 상황을 이 어플 통해 가지고 다 확인을 할 수가 있는 겁니다.
You can also check all of the statuses of all of these different areas, all these different controllers, to see the status of how it is. So showing us different controllers that are used in different situations, different areas as well as the simplicity of using the app to control those controllers.
네, 컨트롤 전문 업체입니다, 저희는. 그래서 난방, 냉방, 그다음에 그
Heaters,
팬
cooling,
컨트롤러,
fan controller.
이런 다양한 제품들이 용량별로, 용도별로 다양하게 한 1000여 개 정도 저희 자체 제작하고 생산 판매를 하고 있습니다.
Yeah. So with a variety of functionality, they produce and sell these controllers that you can purchase.
그래서 국내뿐만 아니고 지금 현재 일본이나 중국, 유럽, 그다음에 러시아 이런 전 세계적으로도 저희 제품이 많이 수출이 되고 있는 상황입니다.
So they're even exporting to different countries around the world, including China, Japan, and Russia as well. 네. Thank you so much for talking with us. 마지막으로 한 말씀 해주시면 부탁드립니다.
아무튼 좋은 시간 되시길 바라고요. 우리 엘전자 컨트롤러는 아무튼 세계 제일의 컨트롤러라고 기억을 해주셨으면 감사하겠습니다.
네, thank you so much.
예, 감사합니다. 예.
So there you go. We get to see a little bit of their controller technology that they have here at Euro Electronics and the experts in that field. We're going to jump into another tour right behind me over here as we go to Hitachi compressors and jump on in. So follow me and let's go to our next location right here as we look at Hitachi compressors. So this is Hitachi compressors, Century Global being the corporation that is, I believe, importing these as well. So you can see some of the different compressors that they have here, the scroll DC inverter types that we're looking at here, the different sizes, capabilities, and over here they have a screw type over there, 40 horsepower in the back, right there by the TV. There you go. So you can see a little bit of it. So compressors range, screw compressors at 30, 40, 50, 60 horsepowers, produced in Japan, and a DC inverter scroll compressor at 6.5 horsepowers as well. So you can see that, and a horizontal scroll refrigerating compressor is also something that they offer here. Okay, let's go to our next one as we jump into Kobelco and see what is over here on display. Let's walk around here and see what is over here at Kobelco. So we're looking at a company that looks like they've got a screw condensing unit. Right now you're looking at a compressor overhauling. The screw compressor unit is the heart of the whole operation. Recommends regular overhaul of this particular part. And so you've got bearing replacement, screw rotor overhaul, and I believe this may be an example of, it's one of the compressors here that we're looking at. So there's a couple different compressors here. The KS110LHR, and you're looking at the KS13STH. Let's keep walking around here and see what else is on this. We're looking at the Onyx Kobe, so take a look at this. I'm trying to match it up here. It looks like inverters over here. We got the inverter series. We're going to walk around to this part over here. So here you got the inverters, the different series here, the standard series as well, with what they have on demand. We're going to go around just a little more, but I believe we're getting a little bit more of the same. Here's that screw condenser unit. A different series, but nonetheless another one of that. And here you can see the inside of one of these screw condenser units and take a quick look at this series right here, the IZF series, I believe is what we're looking at. But that'll be it for this particular one. So let's go ahead and move along this way as we go on to our next one. Now the next booth is a little bit far away, so let's kind of wrap it up a little bit here as we keep going to Harfko 2022. It's our last live stream of the day and of the week. We were able to go through and see a whole bunch of companies and a whole bunch of organizations that are a part of this industry, heating, air conditioning, refrigeration, fluids, in the expo that's going on here at Kintex Hall 1. So thank you for joining us. We were able to do a lot here. Now we're not done yet. We're still going to kind of wrap around here to our next booth, but we are wrapping up here overall. We're supposed to be done in the next couple of minutes, so we're going to go ahead and we are running through here, trying to keep up with you. So we're just going to wrap it up here. Overall, though, there's certainly been a lot going on at this expo, and a lot of different parts makers and solutions providers. Everything from the large booths, like here at LG and Carrier and Century, as well as a smaller booth as well that we were able to see. So all parts of the industry represented here. Has been nice to do that as well. I'm out of breath. We're walking a bit fast. All right, next up, we're going to jump into this booth and go to EBM Pabst and talk to someone here. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
네, 반갑습니다.
반갑습니다.
일단 소개부터 부탁드립니다.
네, 저는 EBM 팝스의 대표이사로 이근섭이라고 합니다.
Well, thank you for talking with us. 일단은 그 회사 소개부터 부탁드립니다.
네, 저 EBM 팝스는 팬을 만드는 회사고요. 1963년에 설립이 돼서 지금 15,000명의 직원을 데리고 있으면서 지금 거의 한 3조의 매출을 하고 있습니다.
All right, well, let's take a look at some of what they're selling. We're going to look at some of the fans back here right now. Can you show us something? 뭐 투어 좀 주실 수 있나요?
할 수 있습니다.
네.
여기 같은 경우에는 지금 저희가 이제 작은 모델로 해가지고 팬을 6개를 돌리면서 이제 팬월이라고 해가지고 팬이 한 개 죽었을 때 다른 팬들이 이제 이 팬을 커버할 수 있고 저희가 디지털로 이 팬을 전부 다 제어를 할 수가 있습니다.
So we're looking at a small fan unit right here that if one of the fans fails, the other ones can actually make up for it. And this is digitally controlled as well.
Yes. 그럼 이쪽에 보시면은 여기는 이제 저희가 그 악시 에코라는 팬 CLS인데요. 이 팬 같은 경우에는 이제 다른 악시알 팬보다 정압이 높아요. 그러니까 보통 악시알 팬은 파스칼, 50파스칼 정도까지 도달하는데 저희 팬 같은 경우에는 300파스칼까지 그러니까 2배로 높게 이제 정압을 올릴 수가 있어가지고 이제 적용하는 범위가 더 넓어지는 거죠.
So normally the axial fans can go up to 100, 150 pascals, but this one goes up to 300 pascals
Yes.
in this field. Yep.
그리고 여기 보시면은 이제 이거는 레디컬 2라는 제품인데요. 이 같은 경우는 레디얼 팬인데 얘도 이제 정압이 상당히 높고 그다음에 효율이 65% 이상이 나옵니다.
65%. So 65% increase in efficiency is 65%. Efficiency on this fan. This is the radio fan
레디컬 2.
Radical 2.
네. 그리고 이쪽에 보시면 이제 여기가 이제
Oh, what's this? This is new.
최신 팬인데요. 이렇게 팬이 조립되어 있는 상태에서 이제 이 팬 같은 경우는 레디컬 3.
Radical 3. Radical 3.
이 팬은 거의 75% 효율이 나오는 팬이고요.
75% efficiency.
여기 보시면은 이제 이렇게 팬 스파이더를 갖다가 뺄 수가 있고 그다음에 임펠러가 있고 이 안에 이제 EC 모터가 있습니다. 이게 이제 외륜 아우터 로터 모터고요. 얘 같은 경우는 이제 150 사이즈의 한 6kW, 8kW 정도의 성능을 가지고 있습니다.
Yeah, so we're kind of looking at the broken up part of this particular fan right now. You're able to see it. The motor here is 6 to 8 kilowatt.
8 kW.
8 kilowatts. 8 kilowatts on the inside of right there. The centrifugal fan.
그리고 이제 뒤쪽에 보시면은
And we're looking at the back side.
이게 이제 알람이나 저희가 이제 팬에 문제가 생겼을 때 여기서 신호를 줄 수가 있고 이 팬 안에 이제 바이브레이션 센서가 들어 있어 팬에서 문제가 생기게 되면은 이제 신호를 저희가 받을 수가 있고 통신을 할 수가 통신 모드바스로 이 팬과 PLC하고 컨트롤러하고 통신을 할 수가 있습니다.
And so this has an alarm sensor on here and actually a vibration sensor on the inside of it that sends a signal to that alarm, and then that can be sent to the person who's in charge to alert them that there is a problem with the fan going on.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. That's
it. Well, thank you so much. Can you give us 마지막으로 한 마디 있으시면 부탁드립니다.
항상 저희 EBM 팝스는 고효율적으로 팬을 제작을 해서 좀 더 많은 에너지를 세이빙할 수 있는 계속적으로 지속적으로 투여를 해서 그쪽으로 더 열심히 일을 하겠습니다.
Thank you so much for talking with us. 감사합니다.
Yeah, thank you.
There you go. So we got to learn do a little bit of fan work here. That's going to wrap it up for us. We're pretty much about done here. At the end of this, we got to see so many different things, so many different booths, so many different technologies that we were able to enjoy here at Harfko 2022. So again, everything related to the heating and air conditioning, refrigeration and fluids here in Korea. Thank you for joining us. Now, we are done with our live streams, but there is still one more day. You're able to come tomorrow and enjoy everything that this expo has to offer here at Kintex. That's going to wrap it up. My name is Alex Sigurdsson. I'm here with Aving TV, and I'll see you next time.